Do not do this. More, more, more. Okay? Lazy, don't do it. In this English pronunciation tutorial, you're going to learn to improve your English speech and speak more clearly by learning a very subtle but important pronunciation point to be aware of that a lot of learners of English mistakenly do incorrectly. Okay, it's very important to learn this one tip that I'm about to give you if you want to be easily understood when you're speaking English, and if you want to feel more confident and save people from asking you to repeat yourself again and again and again. Okay, so welcome to English School Online. I'm going to get straight into the video. It's just one short tip. It's only going to take 2 minutes for me to explain it to you, and then if you go away and practice this tip for the rest of the week, it's going to make a huge difference to your English speech and really help you to be confident and professional in the language. So important for things like job interviews and developing your career, and also just feeling good about when you're speaking English. So we're looking at two sounds, or and two long English vowel sounds, or and When you're making the or sound, as in walk or stalk or port, what a lot of people do is when they're making the long sound or, what you can see here is my lips are rounded, or, and my lips stay rounded until I make the next consonant sound, like this, ought, orc, orp, orm. Okay, my lips stay rounded the whole sound and only change when I make the next consonant. The common mistake that I see a lot of people making is they relax their lips halfway through the sound and they end up making the sound instead of the or sound. So instead of saying stalk, they might say stalk, 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 okay? Or instead of walk, they'd say walk, 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 which then sounds more like work, okay? So it's a very subtle difference, but it's very important to get this right, because whenever I hear people saying it, I then have to think, did they mean walk or did they mean work? And we do not want that for your English speech. So I'm going to give you 5 examples of 2 types of words that are exactly the same, but the only difference is the or and the sound in the middle of the word. And by giving you both of these 2 different types of words, you're going to be able to hear how the words sound when they either have the or sound in or the sound. And by learning the 2 of them, that's going to enable you to train yourself to make the or sound and keep it like this, or, the whole way through. Okay, we do not want to go or, okay? It's lazy and it's bad. So, pair of words number 1, walking, walking, walking. That's compared to working, working, working. Do not go walking, walking, walking. Okay? You want to feel your lips, the tension in your lips throughout the whole vowel sound. Wall. My lips are feeling tension the whole time that I'm making the sound. Okay? Pair of words number 2. Thought, third. Thought, third. Okay? Third isn't actually a word, but 30 is. It's a number. 30. 30. Okay? The mistake that I hear people making is instead of saying thought, they'd say thought, thought, thought. Okay? It's not that. It's thought, thought, thought. My tongue is moving to the next consonant, the T sound in this example, when my lips are still in the or position. That's very important. Thought. If I open my mouth, thought, you can thought. I don't know if you can see my tongue's actually moving up in that position. Pair of words number 3. More, more, more. That's how it should sound. The alternative word is myrrh, myrrh, myrrh. Okay, that's another word. Do not do this. More, more, more. Okay, lazy, don't do it. Pair of words number 4. The first word, four, four, four. Okay, that's how you say it correctly. Four. The other word, fur, fur, fur. We don't like wearing fur. Okay? Do not do this. Four, four, four. Okay? Not good. And pair of words number 5. The correct is this. Lawn, 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 lawn. Okay, I'm going to the N sound when my lips are still in this position. Lawn. The other word, learn, learn, learn. Do not do this. Lawn, lawn, lawn. Okay, that's wrong. So they've got it. One simple point to be aware of. 5 words there to go away and practice and improve upon. Record yourself or watch yourself doing it in a mirror like I'm doing here to the camera so you can see exactly what you're doing and making it correct. It's an essential part of English pronunciation. If you want to speak English clearly and be easily understood and have confidence in your English speech, you must get this point correct. Okay, so that's your homework for this week. If you found this video useful, make sure to leave a thumbs up and comment below letting me know how you've got on with this tip. It is difficult. A lot of people really struggle with this, so there's nothing wrong if you do struggle with it. It's just a point to improve upon. So let me know in the comments below how you're getting on. Okay, then I can see how you are getting on with it. Subscribe and turn notifications on for pronunciation tutorials that come out like this on a weekly basis. Watch this video next, and I look forward to seeing you in next week's lesson. Thumbs up, see you soon.